In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Apple Pay. Now, this can be done on your PC on the website or on your phone on the app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks' website. Once you've headed over to their website or app, you can just log in by simply clicking the login button, and for PC, you can find that in the top right corner. Now, when you are logged in, it's going to look something like this, and you should actually be able to see your balance in the top right corner up here. Now, as long as you do have some money in there ready to be withdrawn, we can go over to our profile icon here and click on this arrow to see this drop down menu, and then we can go down to request withdrawal. Now from there, you'll see a page that looks like this where you can see your balance, and as long as you have completed this playthrough amount, you will actually be able to withdraw. However, when you go to withdraw funds, you might notice that Apple Pay is not actually an option. Now there is a way to get it back in your Apple Pay, however it's not a direct transfer. You see, Apple Pay can only be used for depositing. You can't actually withdraw directly into Apple Pay. But what you can do, if you've already got a credit or debit card on your Apple Pay, you can simply withdraw it via a card payment, and then you can input the same card details that are linked to your Apple Pay, and from there it will get sent over to your card, and if you ever want to use that money again, you can simply use it by using your card via Apple Pay. But as I mentioned, there's no direct way to transfer, so I hope this video did help you out. So that's the only way in which you can withdraw money from Prizepicks over to Apple Pay. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out. Thanks for watching.